Hey guys, so just wanted to shoot a quick little garden tour video this morning. Did a local community garden tour. That was lots of fun, lots of engaging questions. Just wanted to encourage you guys, if you have any questions specific to either our climate or to any particular kind of vegetable that you see in the garden here, I'd love to chat about them, and if there's enough content, I could potentially make some videos on specific things. One of the things I've been thinking about topic-wise is to do a just everything I know about growing pumpkins. Just breaking down from the very beginning to the very end of the year all of the different things that I've learned over the past 6 years of having a pumpkin patch. So any topics like that you'd be interested in seeing, please let me know. These giant onions, actually, I'm not sure I gave them enough space. They're growing so quickly. And unfortunately, the lettuce is beginning to bolt, so I've been slowly harvesting heads as I see them start to create little towers. They're still sweet at the moment, so we can continue to eat them. But yeah, so if you have any specifics, I'd love to create content that educates you. Let me know in the comments. So it's quite windy today. That's why I didn't record my audio with the video. Probably sounds slightly different because this is a voiceover. I had it afterwards. It's just too windy. But hopefully it's still an enjoyable little garden tour. I highly encourage you, if you know other people who enjoy gardens or who are interested in learning this kind of thing, I would encourage you to go ahead and share this video. It'll be nice and short, so it's an easy introduction to the garden for them. Just to try and reach as many people as I can to be helpful, I guess. My real passion in this is not videoing, it's not editing, it's teaching and encouraging. And I really want to be able to reach as many people as possible with the content that I'm putting out there. So any other engagement you want to do as well, I'd love to hear in the comments down below if you have questions, or if you just want to say hi, tell me where you're from, let me know how your gardens are doing. Liking, following, or subscribing or whatever. All of that stuff helps to create viewer engagement, and the YouTube algorithm likes that, and that helps to get our videos out to more people. And so I'd really appreciate if you guys do that. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see ya.